Having trouble adding a social account in Roblox on your iPhone? Linking your account helps you stay connected with friends. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add a social account in Roblox on iPhone. Let's dive right in. First, open the Roblox app on your iPhone. Then tap on More from the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account Info. Scroll down again. Find the Social Network section. Under the Social Network section, you'll see the boxes of social media like Facebook, X, YouTube, etc. Now paste your social media profile URL here and follow the on-screen instructions to log into your social account. And then authorize the connection. That's it. Now you know how to add a social account in Roblox on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.